At more than 60 tons, the Conqueror was one of the heaviest tanks ever used by the British Army. It was in service in the 1950s and 60s.
A new, highly manoeuvrable British tank, the Conqueror, has been developed by the same team which designed the Centurion.
It's being restored at the Royal Lancers and Nottinghamshire Yeomanry Museum at Thoresby Park. Retired Captain Mick Holtby is leading the project.
Nearly 80 years ago, Thoresby was actually used as a tank training area during World War II. And there hasn't been a tank here at the courtyard in all that time since obviously the military went away. So it is important. It gives the visitor what I would call a wow factor.
The engine's been removed, but enthusiasts are working hard to make the Conqueror look as good as possible.
We're chopping the rest of the top decks off, like this one, which is completely gone, cutting it out, refurbishing it with new steel, painting it all up.
It's pride, I think, and it's also pride of being in the military and seeing this nice piece of military hardware on show.
And now for a glimpse inside the belly of this beast.
I've been allowed to take a quick look inside at what's left of the tank here inside. There would have been a four-man crew. This is the gunnery position, and it's extremely cramped.
The Conqueror is on a very long-term loan from the Tank Museum at Bovington in Dorset, and it's set to be an impressive addition to the Military Museum here at Thoresby.